everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel then hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Alka and I make videos on beauty and fashion. So today's video is a little bit different from my regular videos and perhaps it is one of the most special videos on my channel. Today's video is on a very integral part of my culture, that is Assamese culture. I'll be teaching you all how to wear mekhela chadar in few simple steps. I have made the video in English so that if you are not from Assam or even if you do not understand Assamese, still you can understand the video and you can put on this beautiful attire easily. So before getting into the tutorial, I want to talk a little bit on this indigenous traditional wear of our culture. But in case you want to skip to the tutorial, you can move to this timestamp. So firstly, what is a mekhela chadar? As I have already said, it is a traditional wear of Assam and you can find it easily across all cities or towns of Assam. In the shops, it is available almost everywhere nowadays. So mekhela chadar has two main parts, the mekhela and the chadar. So mekhela is usually like a cylindrical skirt and we wrap it around the lower half of our body. And the chadar is the top portion of the attire and it is like a long piece of cloth. Mekhela chadar is mainly available in four materials: cotton, muga, eri silk and path silk. But these are a little on the expensive side. But you can also find affordable mekhela chadar. Those are made mainly from synthetic materials. So in case you have a low budget, you can opt for them as well. They equally look very beautiful. Now talking about the availability of mekhela chadar, you can find them in the shops of Assam across all cities or towns, as I have already said. But the best quality mekhela chadar, you can find them in Hualkusi. In case you are not from Assam and you plan to visit Assam, then I would definitely suggest you to visit there once and you can pick a lot of beautiful mekhela chadars from there. They are also available online as well, but personally I have never purchased them online, so I can't give a proper feedback how the quality will be or which will be the best sites for purchasing mekhela chadar online. So any one of you who is watching the video and you have some idea about that, then you can definitely put it down in the comment section. I would also love to purchase mekhela chadars online. So lastly, talking about the mekhela chadar that I am wearing right now, this is made from the material called path silk, or you can also call it Assam silk. So this was gifted by my grandmother long back and this is my most favorite mekhela chadar, so I have used this for my tutorial. So that's all about mekhela chadar. Now let's get into the tutorial. This is the mekhela. First wear the blouse, petticoat and your heels before you start draping the mekhela. Firstly, I'll wear the mekhela like a skirt. Then I'll make 3 pleats together and I'll take them to the right. As you can see, I'm making the pleats in the crease lines. This way it will look more crisp. Make sure that the pleats are not loose. Now tuck everything inside till you get the desired length. You can secure the pleats with a pin if you want. This is optional. So we are done draping the mekhela. The next step is making pleats in the chadar. So this is how the chadar looks like. Firstly, adjust the length of the pallu from your shoulder. It is usually till the back of our knee. Once you are done measuring the length, you can make pleats. I like to arrange the pleats in bed or sofa. It's much more easy that way. The number of pleats you make depends on the width you want. You can make the pleats as broad as you want. So this way I am making the folds. Once it's done, secure it with a pin. Last step is draping the chadar. Firstly, I like to pin the chadar on my shoulder. This way draping the chadar becomes easy. After pinning it up, I'll take the other end of the chadar and bring it to the front. Then I like to make 3 small pleats this way, as you can see. This step is totally optional. If you want, you can skip it. But I like making this in mekhla chadar as well as in sari because this gives the illusion of a curvy waist. After that, take the other end of the mekhla and make a neat triangle pleat. This is like a zigzag pattern. And then I'll tuck everything in. You can secure it too with the mekhla with the help of a pin if you want. So this is how I look after putting on some makeup and some jewelry.
So guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, then please give lots of love to this video and also give it a big fat thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends as well. So do share your feedbacks with me in the comment section down below, and I'll definitely be making more such type of videos which are related to my culture in future as well. So yeah, that's it, and see you in my next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.